Hello everyone, is your car struggling to shift from third to fourth gear? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0783 for shift malfunction, it means your transmission is failing to shift properly from third to fourth gear. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious transmission failure. But don't worry, I'll explain what P0783 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0783? The P0783 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an issue with the 3/4 gear shift operation. This is often caused by faulty shift solenoids, damaged sensors, or internal transmission issues. Symptoms of P0783 include hard or delayed shifting from third to fourth gear, transmission slipping or hesitation while accelerating, jerking or rough shifts between gears. Check engine light and transmission warning light on poor fuel efficiency due to improper gear shifts. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the main sensors and components responsible for P0783. To diagnose P0783, check these critical components. Shift solenoid, 3/4 shift solenoid. Location, inside the transmission valve body, under the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for shifting from third to fourth gear. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, typically mounted on the transmission housing or near the engine bay firewall. Function, sends electrical signals to shift solenoids for proper gear changes. Transmission range sensor, TRS. Neutral safety switch location, attached to the side of the transmission, near the gear shift linkage. Function, detects the gear position and communicates with the PCM. Input and output speed sensors, ISS/OSS. Location, mounted on the transmission housing, near the input and output shafts. Function, helps the PCM monitor rotational speed and adjust shifting. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM/TCM. Function, transfer signals, damaged wiring can lead to shifting problems. Common causes of P0783, faulty 3/4 shift solenoid. If this solenoid fails, the transmission won't shift properly from third to fourth gear. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty or low fluid can prevent proper gear shifting. Malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, sends incorrect signals to the shift solenoids. Worn transmission clutch packs or bands. Internal damage can cause slipping or rough shifting. Faulty transmission range sensor. If this sensor malfunctions, the PCM won't receive correct gear position data. Electrical issues, damaged wiring, or corroded connectors can lead to improper transmission function. How to fix P0783. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect the 3/4 shift solenoid. Use a multimeter to test for resistance and continuity. Step 3. Test the transmission range sensor. Ensure it's detecting the correct gear position. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded connections. Step 5. Check the transmission control module, TCM. Reprogram or replace if necessary. Step 6. Inspect for internal transmission wear. A mechanic may need to check the clutch packs or bands. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor performance. A P0783 shift malfunction can cause major drivability issues, so diagnosing it early can prevent costly repairs. Always check your solenoids, wiring, sensors, and transmission fluid to ensure smooth gear shifts. Watch these related videos next. P0432, catalyst system efficiency below threshold, bank 2, P0433, NOx sensor 1, circuit high input, bank 2, like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.